Time for a full song tutorial, and I think this song is one of the best first songs to learn on the guitar. It's a really good one. It utilizes power chords, it's a rocky song, and it's just a fun song to play as well. That song is All the Small Things by Blink-182. I'm going to give you a full breakdown of the whole song. There isn't loads to it, and that is a good thing, but it does compromise of, as mentioned, power chords. There is an open chord in there as well, and then there's a couple of little riffs as well, which is great, but nothing over the top where it's going to be absolutely mind-boggling. Structure is key on this song, like when you learn any other song, so knowing what a verse is, knowing what the chorus is, but all of that comes as you listen to the song more and play it more, and then once you get used to each riff, play along with the song or try attempting to play along to the song. Let's get stuck in. Riff number one, the start of the song. Start on a C power chord, 3rd fret of the A string, 5th fret of the D string, 5th fret of the G string, and just open strums. Just do it down or down and up. And then go to this F power chord, 1st fret of the low E string, 3rd fret of the A string and 3rd fret of the D string. Then shift it up to the 3rd fret and do it there at the same string, 1 strike. Muted strings, so we're touching the strings but we're not actually pushing down, and then you finish off with this F here, so 1st fret of the low E, 3rd fret of the A and 3rd fret of the D. Put that together. And then repeat that twice. And then the verse of the song is just 3rd fret power chord here on the A string, A, 5th fret with your 3rd finger on the D, 5th fret with your little finger on the G. And what you need to do now is mute the strings with your palm. Don't go too far up, otherwise it'll sound like this. Just slowly bring it down. There we go, until we get some resonance coming out. And we just, downs is fine, but down, up, whatever you feel comfortable. And then all you got to do is move that upper string to the E, the A and the D, same frets, small things. Move down to the 1st fret of the same string, true care, and then back up to the 3rd fret of the same string, true brings, and just repeat that. That's the verse. I'll take, bow, bow, da, 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 da. Keep going. Do one more time. And then the next part, go to C major chord. See it in so, and just hold that until the chorus. If you don't know your open chords already, then I do have a video on how to play your open chords. So we hold that till the chorus, and then when it gets to the chorus, we just play the same chords as what we did on the verse. However, we don't go back to this 3rd fret, and we open the strumming up as well, so we lift our palm off now. Up to the 3rd fret of the E and down to the 1st fret, and you repeat that. Do it twice in total. And then there's a cool little lead guitar riff. So we're gonna do what are called octaves on this next bit. I'm gonna show it you first of all with just one note, and then show you how to add the octave in. So we're gonna go onto this A string, 3rd fret, do 8 hits on that, then slide up to the 8th fret of the same string, 4 strums on that, then down to the 7th fret of the A string, 4 strums on that, and then down to the 5th fret of the A string, and you do 8 strums on that. Then you lift your fingers off the strings slightly, but make sure they're still touching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then down to this 3rd fret and just hit it once. So put that together in total. And you repeat that twice. Now the octave part of it, what you do is you imagine doing a power chord on those notes. However, take this center finger off, so take the 3rd finger off and make sure this finger is it's not pushing down on the D string, but it's touching it so that it mutes it like that. And then just strum those 2 strings together, those 2. And it just thickens up the sound of it. After that, we're back into the verse. Come home, work sucks. And then you're back into the bit just before the chorus, the C major chord. Say it ain't so, I will not. Then you're back into the chorus riff. Twice again, and then just end on a C power chord. It's just bass and drums there, and then the guitar does come in with this cool little center riff. So you just play the 5th fret and the 5th fret on the center 2 strings, so the D and the G. And what you do is you pick the D string. No, you don't. You pick the G string, and then you pick the D string, and you just keep alternating that going. And then right on the end, you move that 5th fret that is on the G string to the 4th fret. Just like that, and you just repeat that so you have. And I think it repeats it 3 times if I remember right. It's either 3 or 4. Then back in with the chorus chords, so back to here. Keep repeating that. Keep doing it. Twice, you do it again. 3rd time. Finally a 4th time, but watch what I do on the end. So you hold on that F chord at the end, that F power chord at the end there, the 1st fret, for quite a bit. Little wind, and then you finish on the C. So just keep playing all of those riffs a little bit at a time, and once you get used to them and you've repeated them several times, try to the song. And don't worry if you're behind with the song or in front of the song. The more you play to the song, that is practicing, and that will get you more and more used to where everything changes, and also your hands used to keeping up speed wise with it as well. If you could let me know how you've gotten in the comments below, that'd be great. What you think of this song. It's a great song. And also, if the videos help you, if you could click the like button, that'd be great. And subscribe to my channel so that I can keep teaching the guitar to you and keep teaching the guitar to others like you as well for free that want to learn the guitar.